There's a drive within us all, within your customers, your partners, your people. Imagine if you could see it, fuel it, and see just how far it can take you together. Introducing partnerDRIVEN, powered by the Salesforce platform. A solution proven to increase partner engagement and accelerate results, giving partners the right tools to own what they do, and giving you the right information. With a simple streamlined scorecard for every partner that you can manage from anywhere. Complete with campaigns for partners to personalize. That fit your brand, your budget, and every other piece of the puzzle seamlessly. All while investing the right dollars in your growth and theirs. Best of all, clearly see every move your customers and partners make along the way. So you can connect the dots between prospects and performance, campaigns and customers, revenue and results. It all starts by fueling what really matters to the partners and the people who will drive your business forward. When you're ready, let's roll.